Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how future continuous tense is in English. The future continuous tense refers to a verb tense which denotes that something will happen in the future and continue for an expected period of time. The construction for forming this tense is will plus be plus the ing form of a verb. For example, at 5 o'clock, I will be meeting my brother to watch the movie. In 5 years' time, I'll be studying medicine. On Friday's meeting, he will be cooking. At 9 o'clock, we will be eating breakfast. This summer, they'll be traveling abroad. For negative sentences in the future continuous tense, we insert not between will and be. For example, I won't have written all my homework by next week. We will not be having lunch at home. They won't be watching TV at 10 p.m. tonight. He will not be sleeping when you telephone her. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and will. For example, will Sam be coming with us? Will she be going to the party tonight? Will you have gone to bed when I get back? What will you be doing when I arrive? The future continuous is used for quite a few different purposes. It can be used to project ourselves into the future. For example, this time next week, I will be sunbathing in Copacabana Beach. It can be used for predicting or guessing about future events. For example, you'll be missing the sunshine once you're back in Norway. In the question form, the future continuous can be used to ask politely for information about the future. For example, will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? The future continuous can be used to refer to continuous events that we expect to happen in the future. For example, when he is in dormitory, he will be staying with friends. When combined with still, the future continuous refers to events that are already happening now and that we expect to continue some time into the future. For example, tomorrow he'll still be suffering from his pain. Thank you for watching. Please comment your feedback in comments.